Hello friends, this is just another vlog video. I'm in the middle of Bangkok, Thailand, somewhere in Sukhumvit. I'm a lone traveller and today I'm just going to be having a conversation with you. I'm just going to go for a walk. Now if all things are working properly, I have this chest mount GoPro which I've never really used. I purchased way back in, what year was it? 2022? When I was doing my Malaysia videos. I've never really used it since. I actually haven't used it since then. So I'm going to be talking a whole lot of different random topics. So if you're into that type of video, I hope that you enjoy. What you're going to get from this video is obviously me talking, just commentating what's happening as I walk. And I make my way to a very popular mall known as ICONSIAM. I haven't been there since November 2023, so that will be very interesting to see. So it's a journey on that. You'll be able to see me take the BTS system from Asok. And if you're into that sort of stuff, I'd like you to stay along. And you'll also get this kind of commentary that's happening with me talking about what's happening in my life. Those who follow me, you also understand that I am a speaker, or aspiring speaker, thought leader. And I talk about things about philosophical stuff, human relations, connections, speaking, relationships. I like to go into the deep stuff. And I talk about vulnerabilities and what's going on in my life. So it's a whole bunch of rambling stuff. So I hope that you stick around. The best thing you can do is just, enjoy the sights. Hopefully this GoPro image is good. Hopefully the horizon's level. And, it's just a pragmatic sort of view. Just a little bit more background on what's happening with me. I'm a lone traveller, so I came out here for a sabbatical because, like I kind of just hinted, there's a few things that's happening in my life. And I've resorted back to doing something that I wanted to escape. I want to escape my natural environment back at home because things were getting a little bit difficult. I may expose some of that stuff and talk about that during this video, but depending on how I'm feeling. One of the struggles that I'm struggling with is loneliness. I'm having a bit of relationship issues at the moment. It's always pending, and I think relationship issues are something that just comes with life. It's probably often not publicly spoken, so if that's a topic that resonates with you, this could be a video that could connect with you. I'll try not to go into too much detail into here because I don't want this to bite me in the backside anyway. And so I'll just shift and change my conversation on how things go. There goes my tuk-tuk ride from my hotel. And we have now approached this area known as Cowboy. It's very popular for nightlife sort of stuff. Not really my kind of scene, to be honest. For a 39-year-old solo travel, it may be your kind of thing, but not for me. A little bit too rowdy. I find myself more comfortable in a one-on-one sort of conversation. These areas are really good for your extroverts. There's people who love the high energy, who love the intensity, the proximity of people that they can create. And if you're an extrovert, yeah, this is definitely your thing. And this will be paradise for you. Not currently now. I believe this place switches on later on in the afternoon from around about 3 p.m. all the way out to the early hours of the morning. Currently I'm here on during the Songkran festival. It's about 3/4 into it. Today's the 15th of April. So later on this afternoon, actually when I come back, this scene would look totally different. And yeah, you're going to see a lot of their water fighting festival, which is definitely very interesting. I almost vouch out to say it's probably the world's largest water gun fight in the world that happens, because it just happens all around the country for the 4 days. And I believe don't get me wrong, don't quote me. I think I've just only heard about the reason for the water festival is that the water cleanses your life and then you can start anew. They like those philosophical sort of stuff, which is kind of resonating. There's a lot of cleansing that I need to do with my life. Maybe not necessarily with bottles of ice water, but it does happen. And I do have a water gun back in my hotel, so I may get another video of me recording like this when I play soccer. But I got a feeling I'm going to wear it on my way back because now it's only 11:30 local time and it's going to be pretty hectic on the way back. I promise you it will not look the way it just did as I walk past. So what's happening is I am making my way to Asok Station because I have to get to another station which hops me onto a ferry. I then need to cross the river to get over to ICONSIAM, which is my destination for the day. So right now I am in I believe it's the most busy intersection of Bangkok. Oh, and I get to walk across it. They usually have to stand here and wait forever. And there's my favourite place, Terminal 21, which I really love. It's a shopping mall, very unique shopping mall that has a unique theme of like 5 different countries. Each floor has its own individual country, and it's popular because it sells cheap food up on the 5th floor, like extremely affordable food. We're talking like around about less than 100 baht, which is back in Australia money, it's like less than $4 for a very light meal. Don't expect anything great, don't expect Michelin star food, but it will definitely do the job of curing your hunger, and it's as friendly to your wallet in a shopping mall that you will ever find here in Thailand, if not anywhere in the world. So that's Terminal 21. I'm not currently going there at the moment. I'll definitely make my way there later on. But what I need to do is to get onto this BTS, which is I'm at the Asok Station. So let's just go through the crowds. Apparently what I'm seeing here is this is like locked. This is light crowds. There's hardly anyone here. Second to being here early in the morning. So later on, when it gets to peak hour, you're struggling to move around. So yeah, basically I've just been talking about how this day's going. It's a nice 10-minute walk from my hotel. Yeah, it's pretty hot at the moment. So being in April, the temperature's definitely not cold, as you can probably tell by the clothes that people are wearing. It's, you know, you can get a lot of t-shirt, shorts is the way to go. So I'm gonna just pause this. No, I won't. I'll actually utilise my rabbit card. Hopefully that's got enough money to get me to where I am. There's my rabbit card. But that sounds good. And we will head towards Siam, and I will catch the train, need a changeover. So let's just tag through this. BTS line is pretty cool here. 163, they should definitely. Now I always make the mistake of always choose one that's 50 here. So let's have a look. I need to head towards Siam. So I am now in Asok, and then go Siam. So it takes a coup not long. Let's go. Always pays to read instructions as I go through. So I'm currently currently at the Asok Station. Just making my way through. Haven't really talked about anything human relation, like situational conversations. Which makes it, I don't know if you want to call it interesting. And I hope you found that interesting. If nothing else, at least you know how to get to what's it like walking in Bangkok, Thailand. And yeah. And like I said, I'm gonna just pause this video here as like a chapter. So here I've ended. So watch the next video to if you want to follow on. And it's just basically a part 2.